Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and to another video. Today's recipe is going to be super quick, super easy, it's fairly healthy, and it makes for a great snack. We are going to be making quinoa chocolate crisps. They're a great snack, they make for a great dessert as well, so let's get started. For this recipe, we're going to be needing just 3 ingredients. 2 if you eliminate 1 because it's not really necessary to have. But the 2 ingredients you're going to need for sure are quinoa puffs and dark chocolate. So to start with, you're going to need 200 grams of dark chocolate. You can definitely replace the dark chocolate with milk if you like, but personally I prefer a slightly bitter taste. So I'm going with this 70% dark chocolate by Lindt. And we're going to be roughly chopping it up. So once your chocolate is all chopped up, you just want to transfer it to a bowl. And the next thing you want to do is just take a small pan, add in a little bit of water, not too much, and allow the water to come to almost a little bit of a boil. And what we're going to do once the water comes to a boil is put this little bowl over top and allow the chocolate to melt. So you'll notice that the chocolate will slowly melt. It does take a little bit of time, so just be patient, but it will happen. Okay, our chocolate has now cooled down, and at this point I'm going to be adding in 1.5 cups of the puffed quinoa. And just mixing it all in together. So once you're done mixing this all in, the last thing you want to do is grab a tray, line it with some parchment paper, and then we're going to create little lumps of these on the tray. And for this last bit, which is totally optional, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle on some cinnamon. And place it in the refrigerator for about, I'd say, 30 to 45 minutes and allow it to cool and come back to a firmed chocolate shape. Alright, so these are now ready, and I'm just going to serve them in a plate and enjoy them with a glass of milk.